Hello, my name's Miss Beverly and I'm with the Pioneer Library System. Today we're going to be singing a song called Hot Cross Buns. This song has some motions, so if you can put your hands on your hips for the higher note, hands on your legs for the medium note, and your hands on your knees for the lowest note. Okay, hands on your hips, let's sing together. Hot cross buns, again. Hot cross buns, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Good job. So when we do these big body motions that show how our voices go up and down, that helps train our ears to hear those higher notes and those lower notes, and that's connected with phonological awareness, which is a pre-reading skill. So let's do it one more time. Hands on your hips. Here we go. Hot cross buns, again. Hot cross buns, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns.